Optoelectronics Limited, and I am here speaking on the topic a successful Odoo implementation and a four-year journey in Virtuoso Optoelectronics. The 4-year journey of Odoo in our company. So, just to give you a brief background about what we do, we are one of the leading OEM ODMs for consumer electronics products. We manufacture air conditioners, water geysers, water dispensers, chest freezers, that is commercial refrigeration product, LED lights and EMS solutions for customers like Panasonic, Voltas, Crompton, Record, Polycab, Panasonic, etc. We are located in Nasik. We have 7 factories and 2 more coming up. And we started using this Odoo way back in 2020. I'll come to that in a bit. But before that, I'll just show you a video of our company, what it does, and you can have a bit of an idea of our company, the processes it has. It will showcase all the manufacturing units we run.
Virtuoso Optoelectronics Limited is a growing manufacturing company located in the industrial city of Nashik, India. We are passionate about designing, developing and manufacturing consumer products that delight our customers and consumers. VOEPL is strategically located just 3 hours away from Mumbai, with easy access to major ports like Nhava Shava and JNPT. Our facilities ensure smooth logistics and timely deliveries for our valued customers. VOEPL has 7 state-of-the-art manufacturing units with a total area of more than 5 lakh square feet. Our product categories span across air conditioners, LED lighting, commercial refrigeration, electronics and more. We have strong backward integration for the products that we manufacture. The range of core manufacturing abilities includes plastic injection molding shops, heat exchanger and copper tubing lines, electronic manufacturing lines including high-precision pick-and-place machines, sheet metal shops with presses, laser cutting, CNC operations and paint shop, wire harnessing lines, thermoforming line and cyclopentane-based foaming capabilities. Pride in our team's capabilities and our comprehensive manufacturing infrastructure. Customer delight is a core value of VOEPL, and we continuously work with our customers to improve our product design, quality, and service. So does our desire and hunger to strengthen our R&D team and capabilities. Our R&D team has some very talented, dedicated, and knowledgeable individuals. laboratories for electrical, electronic, environmental, psychometric, and other testing and validation requirements. We are also in the process of getting national and international accreditations for our labs for better benchmarking and collaboration.
We are witnessing tremendous growth as a country, both at domestic and international level. At Virtuoso, we want to align our goals with that of the nation and work towards the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and create value for our customers and stakeholders. Our success is not merely measured in the numbers of products sold. It is in the satisfaction of our customers and consumers. We work towards designing and manufacturing quality products with high reliability that enrich the lives of customers worldwide. We believe in leaving a positive impact on the world that we are part of. From reducing the carbon footprint to investing in sustainable technologies, we are clear in our commitment towards the greener future. Our team is the heartbeat of Virtuoso. We strive towards inclusivity and their growth and empower them to contribute their best every day. Their commitment drives our success.
We are not only striving towards building a continuous learning culture towards design, quality, manufacturing, and people, but we are also working towards building a sustainable company which can create positive value towards stakeholders, society, and nature over generations to come.
Looking ahead, our vision is crystal clear. We aim to continue innovating, developing new products, and building strong backward integration. The trust and support of our customers and stakeholders is the bedrock of our success. We look forward to working with you and taking our joint vision further.
Virtuoso Optoelectronics Limited, design, manufacture, delight.
Okay, so I hope you got some understanding of what we do. And just to give you just a little insight that we are manufacturing the entire operations on Odoo. We are totally 100% on Odoo since 2020. And I'll come to where the problem or solutions, because every business has some problems, every industry has some challenges. And what were those problems or challenges that we faced, and we had to go out and look for a solution like Odoo. So in 2020, we started our operations in 2017 with the air conditioning line, and we were assembling, and by 2019 we started manufacturing most of our air conditioners in-house with backward integration. And then 2020 COVID happened, and that is when I and Sukhrit, we were stuck at different locations. He was in Hyderabad, I was stuck in Punjab, and somehow Maharashtra government reached out to us that okay, start manufacturing COVID essentials like N95 masks, glass shields, etc. And we had to bring in all our team to work, and we had no. By that time, we were using SAP and Tele to monitor most of our operations. And that time, we did not have any particular software where we could trace the productivity or what a routine level operations is happening in the industry. So that is when we started reaching out. We thought of looking for a solution that is an ERP that could consolidate data for us, that could automate tasks or provide us real-time insights of what is happening inside our factories. And that was the first instance that we went into the direct sales. Before that, we were totally into the B2B operations where we are OEM, we are manufacturing for Voltas, we are manufacturing for Panasonic. We just manufacture, they put their brands and deliver it to them. But when we are manufacturing COVID essentials, we were directly supplying to Pan India. So we needed someone to take us some software where we could track everything, monitor our productivity and profitability. And that is the time when we started uh, exploring our options. We reached out to SAP, we reached out to Oracle for NetSuite, we even invited team from Zoho to explain us the process, their process, Apico, and finally through our Stanford Seed Transformation Program, we had someone who referred us to Odoo. And we went through all the demonstrations, and then we had listed our expectations. That was, we are looking for a software that has all the functionalities that our factories use, and we need something that is very scalable. At that time we were having only 4 factories, include and one HO, and we were a small team of 100 plus people in the main payroll, and we wanted something that is very has user friendliness, that it is easy to train my team. And we had this mindset, okay, in next 2 or 3 years we are going to scale 2x or 3x. So we need something where we can train our new resources very easily, and customization and flexibility, which most of the industry softwares are missing. If you have to customize anything on SAP or NetSuite, it is very difficult. You need always an implementation partner to come and handhold you to implement or execute it. And then the integration capabilities. How easily we could move our data from Tele to our existing software. How easy it is for new plugins to integrate and run the system. And being an Indian company and Indians, we definitely have cost on top of our mind, that कितना cost पड़ेगा उस solution का. So we explored this, plus also the implementation time. As I mentioned, COVID essentials, that period was 2 to 3 months, the downtime, and the moment the COVID wave went away, we introduced, or we started working on the ODU line, that is the outdoor unit of air conditioners and other thing. We wanted that. So the implementation time had to be less for us. The vendor support, training, performance, reliability, security, and mobile access. Mobile access. So I am present today here in front of you, but still I can manage what is happening in the factories. I can approve purchase orders, I can approve sales orders standing here using my mobile device. So we wanted that kind of flexibility in a package. And Odoo, coming from the open source platform, and earlier it was named OpenERP, we wanted to give it a try. And we were when we created scorecards for different customers, different vendors, Odoo got the highest score on our scorecard, and then we thought, okay, let's go and give it a try. And in 3 months' time, we could implement everything, we could move the whole data, and in 2020, we started our journey with Odoo. So, for any journey, for an ERP product, if you want to get those ERPs implemented into your industry, you need a great partner, implementation partner. We were lucky that we got YLP Solutions Private Limited, a learning partner at that time from Odoo, for Odoo from Nasik, and we that time began our implementation on Odoo 14, and it was a very interesting for us that how this thing, which our implementation partner has done for us in 3 months, and moving forward we have done that internally the whole time. We are now using Odoo 17, and we do not need external agency to handhold us right now to implement any change or any application that is there in the system. We remember one thing that our partner told us that time: just keep moving forward with Odoo, just trust the process. And Odoo, because of its simplicity in design, will always help you scale or bring together whatever plants or offices that you are opening onto that system. And just to talk about where we started, we was using only apps for manufacturing, purchase, accounting. We were moving from tele, quality, inventory, PLM, and sales. This was the only. These were the only applications that we thought of exploring at the initial phase. And today, if we talk about, we are using almost everything that Odoo has to offer. We are recruiting our team on using Odoo. We are managing our appraisals on Odoo. Our whole R&D team is using projects to keep track of their activity, their timesheets and everything. Maintenance of all the plants, everything is happening on this app, on this system. And then we talk about email marketing. In the last session, someone was asking if it can be used for B2C and B2B. So we are doing today both. On this device, the e-commerce platforms is there in one of our other company. We are using that e-commerce platform to explore the whole discussion in the team where the Slack is used. We are using it on Discuss. So overall, it has given us so much freedom, so much flexibility that if I talk about statistics, we took initially 40 licenses and today we have around 100 licenses. Locations, we have integrated from 4 to 9 locations and soon we'll be adding 2 more locations to this. Initially we had 90 finished good codes, 90 finished items. Today we have over 280 line items or the finished good item sold through the system. So that scalability is there. If we talk about 8,000 line items or product items, raw material or finished good, everything combined is being managed. The speed is something that it is incredibly fast. No matter how many people are working simultaneously, we do not have to worry about putting our own servers. Odoo SH is doing great job for us, and last year we did over 500 CR revenue in Virtuoso Optoelectronics. Putting together group companies, we did a lot more, and the entire thing is totally managed on Odoo. So we are 100% managed on Odoo, and we are thankful to Fabian and team. We are, I think, one of the initial big customers that have been using this team, and on time to time we've been upgrading ourselves. Talking about the road ahead, so every company or every product has ups and downs, has some limitations. With Odoo, our journey has been both rough and sweet at both the times. The result of the sweetness is in front of you, that we are managing our operations totally on Odoo today. But the rough patches, if we talk about, the product has been more customized considering the European style of companies or the American companies. It is high time that they start incorporating more of the Indian companies or how the Indian industries do business or conduct business. For example, coming from the manufacturing industry, so manufacturing, we definitely are managing all our manufacturing orders on this platform. But if we talk about managing or bringing the traceability of a part level manufacturing, that is still not possible in Odoo. But we are happy to be a part of this journey, and gradually in over 2 to 3 years we have seen a lot of improvements and slowly features getting added. So we think the opportunity to partner in growth is something this Odoo is providing. No, not every platform, or if I talk about SAP, SAP or Oracle will give you the platform to come and talk openly about what your use cases are or what the limitations are. So this is one thing that I love about Odoo. This is that, and we look forward to have opportunity to partner in growth so that we can be more we can speak more about what our industry speaks about, and then dedicated client-centric approach. Again, I was discussing with the Odoo team today that we need continuous improvement, and we are happy to welcome your R&D team, or they should be sending their R&D teams or the product team to different industries in India. They shortlist different industries or industry leaders, the customers that they have. We are from the manufacturing, then definitely there's someone from hospitality, there's someone from e-commerce side, customers using POS, stores, retails, and everything. Just shortlist and just reach out to them and create that dedicated client-centric approach wherein you can bring in new features developed solely for our industry. And that is how India can become more product-oriented country as well. And open communication channels is something because most of the time we have earlier seen that we had a to and fro, we communicated something to the Indian team, they had to take permission from the Belgium team and then come back. So we need more open communication channel where the problem is, so this is one place where we are looking forward more transparency, and we are open to have ongoing support and collaboration and build a robust relationship with this software, because personally we have loved the interface. So today if we have to train our employee, it takes us only 5 to 10 minutes to onboard a new employee and tell him, okay boss, your job is to create a sales order, this is how sales order needs to be created, this is how you can process, and this is how you can do your job. If a purchase order has to be created, similarly it takes 2 minutes to tell a new employee, boss, this is what you need to do. Inventory, store people, and when we talk about our industry, most of the employees that we are recruiting or are joining us, they come from background from SAP kind of industry, and they are like part code ऐसे बना हुआ था, this is how the system was. If you look at their interface, it is like वो ledger वाला system नहीं, like पुराना, इसमें देख के खुशी नहीं होती. Out here, if you see all the vibrant colors, you feel happiness about. So this is this is about our journey with Odoo so far, and I am really grateful to Odoo for presenting us the opportunity to speak on this platform and share with you all our feedback so openly. And I hope Odoo grows much better, more and more better in the future, and we keep on be the torch bearer of its products. Thank you so much.